this is Sue from Confident Dog Training. I have Dudley with me. Dudley is, I think he's 4 months old, Corgi puppy. And I'm just gonna introduce him to the place tot. So first I'm gonna see if he will approach it while it's up, standing up. It's about 7 inches off the floor. And he does not seem to want to try that at all. So I'm gonna turn it over and put it down level with the floor so that I can walk on it also. And we can walk over it together. Okay. Good, yes. Good, yeah. Good boy. What a good boy. Place is also a command that really, good boy, gives young puppies a lot of a boost in confidence, because something just a few moments before they were afraid of, and then they start to walk right over and get praised. Good boy, yes. Praised for, it really boosts their confidence. Yeah, look at you, what a good boy. Yeah, all right. So now I'm going to try to turn it back over and see how we do. It's a new one, so it's a little tight. Here. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, look at you. That's a good boy. Well done. Good, Dudley. Good boy. Good boy. Break. Good boy. Yeah, let's try it again. Hey, Dudley, come on. Yes. Oh, so good. So good, so good. Yes. Dudley's so brave. Good boy. Again, I'm not really giving it any name yet. This exercise is only to get him kind of comfortable with getting on it. Good boy, look at you. Yes, good boy. I will start to give it a formal name, probably in the next lesson. Good boy, yes, good boy. This is just an introduction. Good boy, look at you. That's a good Dudley. Good boy, yes. Thanks for checking in. Good boy, yeah.